Hey guys, this is Jeanette from China. Today I'm going to take you to visit some ladies fashion factory shops in Shenzhen. Nowadays, more and more factories are starting to distribute their products in the city area so that their products can reach the local communities at affordable price besides the wholesale that they are doing on a daily basis. The price that you can find in these factory shops usually are slightly higher than the wholesale price at factory, but the price is definitely much cheaper and much lower than the price that you will find in the fancy shopping mall or in branded shops in the city center. And this video is for the tourists who are looking for affordable fashion that are available in Shenzhen, as well as e-commerce business owners who want access to the local designer or manufacturers. Okay, let's go. Gongchangdian translates to factory shops. These shops are typically operated directly by factories or trading companies, offering products with a modest markup of 20% to 50%. They are usually located in areas with lower rental costs and good traffic. The primary customers of these shops are local retail customers and small-scale wholesale buyers, who often place orders of 20 to 100 pieces for further distribution. Today, we're going to visit two factory shops for ladies' fashion near Minzhi station on the pink subway line 5. The first shop is located in a local villa. Guys, I didn't expect this because this is the first time I come to this place, and when I just arrive at the entrance, they have a car to pick you up from the entrance to their villa. It's quite interesting. The villa has 4 floors where you can try on clothes before making a purchase, while traditional wholesale from factories does not allow try-ons before purchase. A personal suggestion: avoid coming here on weekends, as there's often a long queue to try on clothes. I ended up purchasing 4 pieces of clothing for a total of $80. The next factory shop is a 20-minute walk from the villa, and is located in this 1881 mall. Their factory is based in Guizhou. There's no hard selling here, and you can try on as many items as you like. However, avoiding weekends is the best if you don't want to wait in line to try on clothes. I spent another $40 on a summer jacket and long pants. If I were to buy these in a shopping mall or branded store in the city center, the same quality and designs would easily cost around $600. Many brands actually select styles and place orders from the same factories.
Finally, it's dinner time.
Today I'm gonna try this super popular hot pot in Shenzhen. We are having a Guizhou Street Sour Hot Pot with a sour soup base. The tangy flavor comes from tomatoes, complemented by ingredients like ginger, garlic, pepper, and mint leaves, creating a uniquely appetizing taste that sets it apart from the spicy Sichuan hot pot. This restaurant offers an incredible deal. For just 18 RMB per person, you get unlimited non-meat dishes, including vegetables, tofu, and drinks. We paid for the soup base, beef and fish separately. This is the amount of vegetables and tofu and mushrooms we take. And even with all that, each person spent less than $10 on this delicious feast. I wonder how the restaurant makes money. The table is very low. When you see here, you either eat in this way or eat in this way, or in this way. Okay guys, that's all for today. This is Jeanette from China. Welcome to subscribe to my channel to know more about China traveling and sourcing tips. See you next time. Bye.